This is Jeremy from Bricks. Today, we are going to talk about the preforming technology of making the brick pads. This is old technology, appeared about 100 years ago in 20th last century. And right now in this world, there are also many factories are still using this technology to make the brick pads. So today we will explain through this video of this advantage and the disadvantage of these technologies. So let's begin.
Compared with the currently most popular one-step hot pressing production process, the normal temperature pre-press process still requires placing the product into a heated mold for repressing. That's why we call it a pre-press or pre-form process. This means two different types of presses are needed. One for normal temperature pressing and another with heating functionality. Meanwhile, two sets of molds are also required. Normal temperature pre-press molds and hot pressing molds equipped with heating capabilities. In actual production, there is always a time interval between the normal temperature pre-pressing step and the subsequent hot pressing step. Since the prepressed blocks haven't undergone heat curing, they tend to rebound and loosen during this interval. To address this issue, the cavity of the normal temperature pre-pressed mold must be smaller than that of the hot pressing mold. Depending on the formula and the size of the product, the reduction is generally controlled at 3 to 5 millimeters per side. One notable advantage of this process is its high production efficiency. As no heat curing is needed during the pre-pressing stage, the entire pressing process takes significantly less time. However, dust remains an unavoidable challenge in brake pad production. As you can see in the video, all workers are equipped with specialized dustproof masks. Unfortunately, the normal temperature pre-press process is particularly prone to dust issues, especially when the entire process relies solely on manual weighing and material feeding. Another issue worth noting is the quantitative feeding method used in the video. It adopts volume-based quantitative feeding instead of using a weighing scale, which leads to relatively large errors. These errors, in turn, result in significant deviations in the density of the brake pads after the subsequent hot pressing and curing stages. For manufacturers aiming to produce high-quality brake pads, precision and workplace safety are non-negotiable. That's why we strongly recommend automated weighing systems, ideally fully automated equipment that integrates weighing, material feeding, and pressing in one seamless process. Manual operations often lead to inconsistent material dosages, which directly compromise brake pad performance. They also create messy dust pollution in your workshop, not to mention the health risks this dust poses to your team. At Bull Brakes, we've got a solution for brake pad manufacturers still relying on traditional preforming processes. The fully automated preforming machine you see in our video is designed to help you take that critical first step toward automation. It eliminates dosage errors, cuts down on dust, protects your workers, and most importantly boosts the overall quality of your brake pads. Upgrade your process, elevate your product. That's what makes Bull Brakes different from others.